There are thousands of types of different plastic materials. In the process of manufacturing, designers and manufacturers often face challenges like finding the most suitable material, making a superior design, and determining the appropriate processing conditions within a limited time. To solve these problems, Moldex 3D launched the Material Hub Cloud, MHC. MHC boasts the most comprehensive measurement data that were collected by Moldex 3D Material Center over the past 20 years. MHC also includes the physical property data provided by material suppliers. Currently, MHC has more than 8,000 material processing data, and the number is still rising. MHC provides an easy-to-operate interface and offers multiple languages and engineering units that cater to different users' needs. Users can gain access to MHC through browsers, making it the most convenient cloud database for plastic materials. Whether you are product designers, molding engineers, material suppliers, CAE engineers, or researchers, MHC offers you 7 advanced technical features that will help you determine the materials you need as soon as possible. The 7 major features are Material Database Viewer, Alternative Material, Material Selection Guidance, Material Comparison, Design Calculator, Material Data Fitting, and Digital Material Generator. Material Database Viewer enables users to view the mechanical properties, processing curves, process conditions, and the quality index analysis of each material at once. All these information can help users gain a better understanding of the materials they're looking for. Alternative Material allows users to define the property data on their own and find the suitable alternative materials from 8,000 pieces of data right away. Users can also determine the optimal alternative materials through the similarity analysis. Material Selection Guidance can suggest appropriate materials with just a few clicks. Users can select the industry or the product characteristic that corresponds to their needs to get the recommended materials right off the bat. Material Comparison provides users with curve charts, side-by-side data comparison, and a scatter plot analysis, which enables users to further compare varied materials. Design Calculator is beneficial for mold design and shortening the cycle time. It is able to estimate gate shear rate, runner pressure drop, and the cooling time of the plastic part. Material Data Fitting facilitates the process of transferring experiment data to model parameters. Users can simply upload raw material data, and well-fitted model parameters for simulation will then be generated. Digital Material Generator helps generate the material file for Moldex 3D simulation. After inputting information about the plastic material, users can export the material file. To make better design decisions and high-quality products, you'll need the right material data. MHC owns the latest and completest material property data and powerful functions for you to determine ideal materials. It'll help you save lots of time on trial and error and enhance your comprehension of plastic materials. MHC is without doubt your best partner in plastic product design and manufacturing.